I don't think I've ever tasted salmon better than Scottish. And today I'm doing something very special with it. This is my salmon and asparagus Philadelphia. And I'm showing you how to serve it two ways. Hey everyone, how's it going? Good to see you. I've got sunshine and I've got flowers. So I'm in a really good mood. In fact, I'm in the mood to cook something really special. And welcome back to my channel, Chef Archie's Easy Recipes. And thanks for joining me for today's rather luxurious video presentation. I'd say salmon is the most popular fish in the United Kingdom. It's easy to get, it's easy to cook, and it's reasonably priced. Today, I'm going to do something really special with only using a few ingredients: some asparagus, some cream cheese, some butter, a little bit of stock, and some green onions. The bonus about today is I'm going to show you how to present it two ways. And we only need one frying pan. I've got about an ounce of butter in my pan. I'm going to throw in a handful of green onions, spring onions, scallions, whatever you want to call them. Cook them for about 2 minutes with my asparagus chopped up. I've left the tips until later. Just stir those right in the butter for a minute or two. And now I'm going to throw in or pour in my stock or my broth. I'm using chicken. You can use vegetable if you prefer. Now just cover the asparagus with the broth and cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes only. Very gently whisk in the Philadelphia cream cheese. I'm doing it this way because I want it to gradually incorporate itself into the broth. I want it to be even and smooth in my frying pan. Now I'm going to take a salmon steak, and you'll notice I'm tucking the thin bit under the thick bit. I'm popping a cocktail stick in it because I want to keep it intact. And the only way I can do that is by putting the stick in and the salmon, and then with the thin bit attached to the thick bit, and just drop it gently into the poaching liquor. You could leave the cocktail stick in if you want to. And hopefully those salmon pieces will stay in one piece. We want them to cook evenly. If we put them in completely flat, the thin end would cook too quick and it would probably end up breaking. A little bit of pepper there, that's optional by the way, I'm heavy on pepper. Just going to bring it to a simmer and pop the lid on for about 5 minutes only. And once that 5 minutes is up, take the lid off, simmering away nicely. I'm just going to baste the salmon because don't forget there's part of the fish hasn't been sitting in the stock. Now I'm going to scatter round my asparagus tips. Beautiful. Lid on just for 2 to 3 minutes only. And that's all we need to do. It's pretty much done. The salmon steaks are intact. As you can see, they're nicely in one piece. Apart from that one piece there, but we won't talk about that, shall we? It's really beautiful. Right, I've got a plate. On my plate, I've got a timbale of spinach. That's round, thick disc of buttered spinach. I'm going to sit my salmon fillet on top of that. I'm going to gently spoon over my Philadelphia cream cheese and asparagus sauce. That there is restaurant quality food, I promise you. I've garnished it with a few baby new potatoes, a little bit of parsley, a little bit of lemon zest as well, just for colour. It really is quite spectacular. It's beautiful. It's a simple dish. Now, this is the other way we're going to present it. If you've got a few friends round or a few guests and you want to impress them, take a nice oval platter, stainless steel or ceramic, whatever you have, and take the 4 pieces of salmon. And this is a bit where you'll find out that one of the pieces of salmon has let me down, unfortunately. There you go. That little bit escaped from one. Okay, a little bit more pepper in that sauce. And I'm going to turn the sauce up to full blast for about 2 to 3 minutes, and it's going to slightly reduce and it's going to become a little bit thicker. And now I'm going to gently ladle the sauce over my salmon. You might have some sauce left over, but it's up to you how much you want to put on. But you know, it looks just fabulous. Doesn't look that elaborate. In fact, it's quite basic. But if you put that in the middle of a table with a few of your friends or your guests, I promise you they'll be very, very impressed. That there is my salmon and asparagus Philadelphia, everyone. And how easy was that? Incredibly basic, so easy to do. And only in one pan. Hey everyone, smash that like button and share the video with your friends. It's a huge help for us. And please drop me a line. What do you think about what you've just seen me do with this salmon? Where you live, how much would you be paying for a dish like that in a restaurant or an eatery? Do you think cream cheese is too rich? Would you prefer the salmon cooked a different way? Do you not like asparagus? Do you not like spinach? Hey, I'm going to get stuck in. I'm absolutely starving. I'll see you guys very soon. Do take care of yourselves.